Your old tablet's a joke. Meet the Lenovo Tab Plus, the party beast with 8 JBL speakers. Let's be real, your current tablet is probably just a glorified screen. You tap, swipe, and wait, and wait. The sound? Tinny. The visuals? Meh. The experience? Bland. You want to escape into your shows, your playlists, your books, but instead, you're stuck fighting lag, pixelated video, and speakers that sound like they were tuned in a cereal box factory. Every moment that could have been magic ends in mediocrity. You're frustrated, distracted, and drained. Personal entertainment should be just that, personal, not a compromised mess of budget audio and laggy visuals. So, why are you still putting up with less? And the more you use it, the worse it feels. You're constantly hunting for headphones just to hear dialogue. You crank the volume to max and still miss half the beat drop. Watching your favorite show becomes an exercise in patience. And don't even think about sharing your screen at a party, the embarrassment is real. Your entertainment system is failing you, and the stress of waiting for things to load or struggling to see or hear properly is eating into your downtime. This isn't just a minor inconvenience anymore, it's a full-blown digital crisis. Enough is enough. Here comes the Lenovo Tab Plus, crashing through your boredom like a rockstar with backup dancers. This isn't a tablet, it's a full-blown audio-visual experience crammed into 11.5 inches of pure indulgence. You get 8 JBL speakers, yes, 8, 26 watts of rich stereo magic, and Dolby Atmos that wraps around you like a sonic hug. The 2K display dazzles, the 90Hz refresh rate glides, and the MediaTek Helio G99 brain powers it all like a caffeinated wizard. Flip out the 175 degrees kickstand, and boom, you've got a concert, cinema, and gaming zone wherever you plop down. It's not a vibe, it's the vibe. Watch your productivity and play both skyrocket. Tune the audio for each app, stream lossless tracks like an audiophile snob, you've earned it, and binge your entire watch list with TUV-certified iComfort. The 8600 mAh battery won't quit before you do, and if it ever does, bam! 45-watt fast charging gets you juiced up in under 90 minutes. Add expandable storage up to 1 terabyte and you've got the power to store your life in 4K and hi-fi. Kids mode? Check. Digital clock when docked? Yup. Your content, your control, your rules. This is the future of fun, clear, loud, stylish, and effortlessly cool. So why settle for basic when you could be blasting beats from a tablet that moonlights as a Bluetooth speaker on steroids? The Lenovo Tab Plus isn't here to play, it's here to dominate your downtime, upgrade your life, and make every tap a little more addictive. This is your sign. Toss the dusty tablet in a drawer, grab this entertainment beast, and let your senses run wild. Whether you're couch crashing or park posting, this tablet is ready to flex. Stock's moving fast, vibes are waiting, click that buy button before someone else snags your new favorite obsession.